Welcome back to Sunday Live Stream. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 22nd to the 26th of August 2022 on Monday. Nomaswazi apologizes to Babmtsimbi for putting his life in danger. Kwanda is determined to kill Hlezipi if he doesn't get his truck back. SBU is ready to fill Nkunzi's shoes on Tuesday. Njeza tortures Khanyisa, but will he give away Kwanda's location on Wednesday? Another family loss is another family's gain as the Magwazas takes the opportunity handed to them. Njeza goes all out for Nonka. Mbata is faced with moral dilemma on his journey to find Mrs. Right while SBU basks in his glory on Thursday. SBU set his sight on Kwanjomani. The hub is shut down indefinitely and Mbata's search for Mamfundisi continues on Friday. SBU packs up to leave Kwamasho, but will he get away in time? The hub is open for business, but it's a ghost town. The hunt for Kwanda continues. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.